Motorola launched its new smartphone under Edge series in India called Motorola Edge 60 Pro, with built-in AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro features a tall 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution quad-curved POLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's LYTIA 700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view, along with the 10-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. For selfies it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 90 watts wired turbo power charging support, and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with 3 Android upgrades, and 4 years of security updates. For safety, the phone is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.69 by 73.1 by 8.24 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 33,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 7th. In Pantone Dazzling Blue, Pantone Sparkling Grape, and Pantone Shadow color options. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.